In Tamil Nadu, the shocking murder of the Tamil Nadu BSP chief has set in motion a chain of political reactions. In fact, now the AIADMK as well as the other opposition parties in Tamil Nadu are questioning the law and order situation in the state. In fact, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has assured a fair probe, a fair investigation into the case as well. The police say that there is no political angle as far as this alleged murder is concerned. Took to social media platform X, and he said that I'm deeply shocked by the brutal and abhorrent killing of Mr. K. Armstrong, the Tamil Nadu chief of the Bahujan Samaj Party. Other political reactions have also been coming in, including that of the AIADMK. In fact, BSP Supremo Mayawati also took to social media platform X to say that the killing is absolutely gruesome. Mr. Edappadi Palaniswamy, the chief of AIADMK, has also tweeted, and also Kamal Hassan. But listen in to some political reactions that have come in.
I strongly condemn this incident. He is a national party state president. He is unable to survive because of the law and order situation in Tamil Nadu. The DMK government is totally failure to maintain the law and order situation. Because today the Armstrong is died, the Gundas are hacked to death him, and 10 days before 65, almost 70 people died because of the illicit arak. So where is going, what they are doing? Even Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is controlling his police department, and Home Ministry is with him. He is unable to control the police, or he is unable to control the law and order situation.
Once again, a brutal murder in Chennai city. The old Madras is becoming city of murders. This is what is happening in Chennai. The entire Tamil Nadu. Continuous murders, hacking people into death by anti-social elements, hired coolies, hired gangs. This is happening everywhere in Tamil Nadu, every day. In the last 2-3 years, we have seen this Dravida model DMK's government. It is happening regularly. Mr. Stalin, is this Dravida model? This is what you mean by Dravida model? Where is the police? Where is the administration? It's complete failure of the administration in Tamil Nadu.
We have secured 8 suspects so far, a few minutes before. This is early investigation, preliminary investigation. So after some time the clear picture and better accurate picture will emerge once we are through with more investigation, more facts and circumstances coming to light. We'll share with you. 10 teams have been formed by us. We are on the job to bring the offenders to
preliminary சொன்னானே இது பொலிட்டிக்கல் மோட்டிவ் இல்ல, அரசியல் மோட்டிவ் வரது சான்ஸ் ரொம்ப கம்மி இருக்கு. அவருடைய ஆரம்பத்துல அரசியல் லைஃப்ல வந்த பிறகு சில சமயத்துல அவருக்கு பிரச்சனை இருந்தது. தட் வாஸ் பொலிட்டிக்கல். சம்டைம் வேற குரூப் தகராறு இருந்தது. ஸோ அதில் மேக்சிமம் நம்ம அந்த ஆங்கிள் தான் விசாரிச்சுட்டு இருக்கிறோம். பட் பொலிட்டிக்கல் ஆங்கிள் சான்சஸ் ரொம்ப கம்மி இருக்கு. இது மேலே ஃபர்தர் டீட்டெயில் கம்ப்ளீட் இன்வெஸ்டிகேஷன் முடிச்ச அப்புறம் தான் சொல்ல முடியும்.